Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Limit extends to 0. Box of 100 into tan x into sin x divided by x square. Here, for all x belongs to open interval of 0, pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 1.57 radians. That is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Sin x is less than x is less than tan x. Okay. This is the standard formula. Here, subcondition sin x is less than x and x is less than tan x. Okay. Here, sin x divided by x is less than 1. Less than 1 means, what does it mean? Just less than 1. It is the correct meaning. Next, from here, x divided by tan x is less than 1. Here also, this ratio is just less than 1, or its reciprocal tan x divided by x is just greater than 1. What does it mean? It is just greater than 1. Just less than 1, just greater than 1 means what? For example, this is 1. Just less than means here. For example, this point is 0.999, just like that. It is just less than 1. Next, this one, it is just greater than 1. 1.001 means just greater than 1 means this area is neighborhood of 1. It is called as neighborhood of the point 1. Okay, neighborhood means very near value, but not 1. That is the complete meaning. Okay, next you come here. Limit, the given question is limit extends to 0, box of 100 into, it can be written as tan x divided by x into, this can be written as sin x divided by x, means this x square is splitting as x into x, just like that. Okay, so limit extends to 0, what is tan x by x? Tan x by x just greater than 1 means instead of this value we can write just greater than 1 means 1.001. So it can be taken as 1.001. Next, sin x by x just less than 1. It can be taken as 0.999. Okay, understand? So that is equal to, we can take it as box of 100 into 1.001 into 0.999. So clearly it can be 99.9999 something like that. So box of 99, box it will take only integer part, that is equal to 99. Next you come here. Next same model question. Limit extends to 0, box of 100 into x divided by sin x, x divided by sin x, plus box of 99 into sin x divided by x, like that. So that is equal to, as x tends to 0, this value 100 into x divided by sin x. Here you come here. Sin x divided by x is less than 1. It's a reciprocal. X divided by sin x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means, already I said just greater than 1. 1.001, like that. Plus box of 99 into 99 sin x by x just less than 1, 0.999 like that. So therefore it will be 100 plus it will come 98. So that is equal to total 198. Hence the second option is right. Here its value is 99. Hence the problem. Limit n tends to infinity 1 into n square plus 2 into n minus 1 whole square plus 3 into n minus 2 whole square plus and so on plus n into 1 square divided by 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus and so on plus n cubed. Okay, first I will try to express this numerator in terms of sigma forms. Why? Because this will be easily we can write in sigma forms, sigma n cubed. It can be written as simply sigma n cubed. Okay, we will try to express the numerator in terms of sigmas. First factor, this is the first factor, this is the second factor in the first term. This is the second term, first factor, second factor. First factor, second factor will be like that. Okay, first let us consider the first factors. Here 1 comma 2 comma next 3 comma and so on n is there. Therefore for numerator first we will start. Okay, let us express in terms of r. This letter you can take any letter here instead of r. Just for our convenient I took r. R is equal to 1 to n. Thus it will be r. Means what? First r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. It will come. R is next 2. 2 means r is equal to 2. R equal to 3 and so on. R equal to n. Okay. Next we have to write the second factor. So in the first term n square. First term n square is there. N square means what? N minus 0 whole square. Next in the second term n minus 1 whole square is there. That is equal to n minus 1 whole square. Okay. In the third term n minus 2 whole square is there. Similarly we can write the factor in fourth term as n minus 3 whole square. In the fifth it will be n minus 4 whole square will be like that. Did you observe that? 1 minute. Actually it is what? 1. It is what? 0. Means it is just minus 1. It is what? 2. This one is what? 1. Means what? N minus 2 minus 1 whole square. It can be expressed like that. Okay, it is what? 3. So therefore it is n minus 2 means write it as 3 minus 1 whole square will be like that. Similarly whole square same, n same, minus same. In fourth term 3 is there means 4 minus 1. Similarly n minus 5 minus 1 whole square like that. Okay, so therefore nth term will be means here we are taking r. Therefore the last term will be n minus r. For example, we are writing rth term n minus r minus 1 whole square, not nth term, because r goes to 1 to n. Therefore it is enough to take rth term. Rth term is similarly n minus r minus 1 whole square. So therefore n minus r minus 1 means on simplification it will be n minus r minus to minus plus whole square. So therefore n minus r plus 1 whole square. So this is the numerator. So that is divided by sigma n cubed. R is equal to 1 to n. So this is the question. Okay. So therefore question is equal to limit n tends to infinity, numerator sigma r equal to 1 to n. Okay, it is to be understood that, remember, sigma means it is r goes to 1 to n. Next, r, small r into n minus r plus 1 whole square. So for this we can write it as n plus 1, n first write positive value plus 1 later minus r whole square whole divided by sigma n cubed. In numerator and denominator it is r is equal to 1 to n, means r goes to 1 to n. So that is equal to, now limit n tends to infinity, sigma, okay, r into, let us open by using a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab whole divided by sigma n cubed formula n square n plus 1 whole square whole divided by 4. So limit n tends to infinity multiplication n plus 1 whole square into sigma r next plus sigma r into r square r cubed, next minus 2 into n plus 1 into r into r square, it is sigma r square whole divided by, it is nothing but sigma n cubed. Okay, I will write here itself n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, because already I said with respect to r, n is a constant, r is variable, n is constant. So therefore that is equal to limit n tends to infinity n plus 1 whole square into sigma r. Already I said here sigma r means 1 plus r goes to 1 to n, r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3 and so on n. So r is equal to 1. For sigma write plus, next r is equal to 2, this is 2. For sigma plus, next r is equal to 3 and so on, r is equal to n. So therefore it is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. So therefore sigma r, similarly I wrote here sigma r cubed, means it is nothing but the sum of natural numbers from 1 cubed to n cubed, means it is the sum of cubes of natural numbers from 1 to n. So therefore it is simply n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Now we are going to substitute all the values. Sigma r means n into n plus 1 by 2, next plus this one sigma r cubed n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, next minus 2 into n plus 1 into, what about sigma n square? I will write here sigma, you come here, sigma n square r square, r goes to 1 to n, means that first r is equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3 and so on, r equal to n. For all squares are there, squares, sigma means it is summation, so therefore and so on, plus, so that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. It is the fixed formula. So therefore it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 whole divided by denominator n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Next, already I said as extends to infinity, if the function is in the form of f of x divided by g of x, where the degree of f of x equal to degree of g of x, then it is enough to take the coefficients. Example, limit extends to infinity 6x square minus 1 divided by 7x square plus 3x plus 5. Here x tends to infinity. Next, the degree of numerator, degree is equal to 2. Here also the degree of denominator is equal to 2. Degrees are same of numerator and denominator. In such a case, we are taking the shortcut x square quotient 6, x square quotient 7 in the denominator. So already I said these are shortcuts. Now I am using the same shortcut here. Before that, we have to determine the degree of numerator is equal to the degree of denominator. You come here. Actually, n into n square. On opening this n plus 1 whole square. N plus 1 whole square means what? N square plus 2n plus 1 into this one. N square plus n. So on multiplication, we are getting n to the power of 4. So its degree. This is the first term. Its degree is equal to 4. Next, you come here. Here also n square into, it is what? N plus 1 whole square. Means it will be in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So therefore, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So on multiplication, we are getting n to the power of 4. So therefore, the highest degree of this term will be 4. Next, n into n square into n cubed into n to the power of 4. So for this also degree is equal to 4. Hence total numerator, the degree of numerator is equal to 4. Okay, next come to denominator. Here in the denominator, let it be the coefficients, it is out of question. Then it is n square into n plus 1 whole square means n square plus 2n plus 1. So on multiplication, we are obtaining n to the power of 4. What I am telling that the degree of denominator is equal to 4. So therefore, degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. So it goes to that method. So it is enough to take the coefficients only in the numerator and denominator, because it is as n tends to infinity. Okay. Next, coefficients. So n to the power of 4 coefficient 1 by 2, n to the power of 4 coefficient plus 1 by 4. Next, minus is an coefficient 2 into 2 divided by 6. Next, whole divided by coefficient 1 by 4. So therefore, it is 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. On simplification, we are getting 1 by 3. So therefore, fourth option is right. Hence the problem. Next question. The graph of y is equal to f of x has unique tangent at a comma 0. Observe this point. Here, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, it is on the x-axis. Next, then find this limiting point. Okay. Here, x-axis and y-axis. For example, this is the graph y is equal to f of x. Where is the point? Here is the point. Capital P of a comma 0. At that point, this graph has unique tangent. Of course, for any curve at a point, at one point, it will have only one tangent. More than one tangent, it is not possible. If it is possible, then it should not be a differentiable function. Okay, it is out of question. So, This is the situation. At capital P, this is the tangent. This is the tangent at capital P of A comma 0. So basic point is, for any curve, if exists at only one point, we can draw only one tangent. It will have unique slope, remember. Okay. Next, and through which passes, right? Then limit extends to A something. 1 minute. Here, this is x coordinate, it is y coordinate. This graph y is equal to f of x passing through the point P of A comma 0. Therefore, y is what? 0. So 0 is equal to f of x is what? A. This is the complete meaning of that sentence, passing through that point, and that point it has unique tangent. Okay. F of A value is what? 0. 1 minute. So question is equal to, what will be the limiting point at x equal to A? Logarithm of 1 plus 6 into f of x whole divided by 3 into f of x. You see here, first, what is the procedure? Putting x equal to the given point directly in the given function. So that is equal to logarithm of 1 plus 6 into x equal to A, f of A whole divided by 3 into f of A. So that is equal to logarithm of 1 plus, what is f of A value? You come here. F of A equal to 0. Understand? So 6 into its value is 0 divided by 3 into 0. That is equal 6 into 0. 0 plus 1. Log 1 value 0 divided by 0. It is indeterminate form. Therefore, we are permitted to use D L hospital rule. So therefore, apply D L hospital rule. Therefore, here L hospital rule means what? Differentiation. Suppose logarithm, it is composite function. Already I said d by dx, you come here. D by dx of basic formula log x only for base e, that is equal to 1 by x, and it's a composite function. Logarithm of means instead of x any other function is there but not x, then it will be treating as f of x. Of course, it is having the same structure, 1 by f of x into f dash of x. F dash of x means d by dx of, that is 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x. So therefore log of f of x, 1 by 1 plus f of x, okay, into its derivative, d by dx of 1 0, then d by dx of 6 into f of x, 6 into f dash of x, okay, whole divided by denominator 3 into its derivative f dash of x. Clearly f dash of x cancel. Next 3 2 ja 6, that is equal to 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 6 into f of a by putting x equal to a. Okay, that's all. That is equal to 2 by 1 plus 6 into, what is f of a? Already given 0. So that is equal to 2 by 1 plus 0. So 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. It is in third option. Next question. Limit extends to 0 minus means left hand limit at x equal to 0. Numerator box of x plus box of x square plus box of x cubed plus and so on up to a box of x to the power of 2n plus 1 plus n plus 1. There is no box. In the denominator, 1 plus box of x square plus box of x plus no box, only 2x. N is natural number. This is the question. So therefore, almost all, if in the given question natural number is there, it is better to use the mathematical induction theorem. Understand? Itself is the shortcut. So, for our convenient and to reduce the time in the examination hall, I am taking n equal to 1. Simple. Right. What about x? Here, actually, the author is discussing the limiting point at x equal to 0. But he has given only left hand limit. Okay, we have nothing to do with the right hand limit at x equal to 0. Let it be. So, here at x equal to 0 means this one. X less than x. Here, x is less than 0 means, according to the definition, it will be, the discussion will be just less than 0. Just less than 0 means what? Minus, suppose 0.1. I am considering minus 0.1 because it is very near to 0. It is negative side, minus infinity. This one is plus infinity, like that. Okay, you can consider minus 0.9 or 1 just like that, or 19 or just like that, very near to 0. You can take any value, but it is better to take very near value. That's why for our convenient, means mathematical convenient, I took x is equal to minus 0.1, means just near left hand side, because this problem is the discussion of left hand limit. That's why I took like that. So therefore n equal to 1 and x equal to minus 0.1. Okay, 1 minute. Here we must know that, okay sir, you can ask me n is equal to 1. How many terms we have to consider in the numerator? It is the point, right? This is the series. It has 2n plus 1 terms. X means x power 1. 1, 2, 3 and so on. 2n plus 1. Total how many terms are there? 2n plus 1 term. Right. We are taking n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means 1 term. No, it is not in the same sense. Put n equal to 1, actually its nth term is equal to x to the power of 2n plus 1, means in the box. If n is equal to 1, take n equal to 1. So, n equal to 1, then it will become box of x to the power of 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, x cubed, like that. We have to take up to x cubed. So therefore, the question will be reduced by taking n equal to 1. The numerator is box of x plus box of x square plus box of x cubed only. Right? This series is completed shortly or with a limited number of terms by taking n equal to 1. Understand? 1 minute. Sir, if we are taking n equal to 2, then what will happen? N equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. We have to write a box of x plus a box of x square plus a box of x cubed plus box of x to the power of 4 plus a box of x to the power of 5. So unnecessarily, what is the need of taking on considering or introducing the number of variables or constants like that? Not necessary. That's why reduce it by taking very simple value n is equal to 1. Hence the numerator will be box of x plus box of x square plus box of x cube. So for this 2n plus 1 terms we took like that by taking n equal to 1. Later plus n. N is what? 1 plus later 1 divided by. There is no influence of n value. Therefore, denominator is same. 1 plus box of x square plus box of x plus 2x. It is what? Limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0, correct? Minus stands for left side of 0. Means x is less than 0. Okay. So that is equal to x is what? Minus 0.1. So box of minus itself is the shortcut. Remember. Plus box of minus 0.1 into minus 0.1. 1 ja. Okay. Of 1 to after 2 digits so we have to put dot or point. So therefore 0. Minus into minus plus 0.01. 0.01. Okay. Next plus 0. X cubed means 0.01 into again 0.1. This one is minus. So minus here. So 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3.0. So answer is box of minus 0.001 plus 2 whole divided by 1 plus. Already we found here this value. Don't worry about that writing number of terms. So therefore it is not waste of time. It is x means minus 0.1 plus 2 into minus 0.1. So that is equal to. What about this? Already I explained the definition of step x. 1 minute I wish to explain once again the definition of step x function. Listen, this is a 0. This is the 0. For example, box of 1 means 1. Box of 2 means 2. Just like that. For positive. Negative. Okay, first 0. Box of 0 value 0. Box of minus 1 value minus 1. Box of minus 2 value minus 2. Means what? Box. So by all means, box of any integer is equal to same, whether it is a positive or negative. Next, let us consider the decimal system. Listen. For example, this is 1. You come here. This is 0.5. So what about the box of 0. For example, 1 is 0 because in the name of the function, in the name of the function itself concept is there. Because box of x means what? It is the integer, greatest integer function. Means it will take only integer. It will take only integer. So therefore, this is called integer part. This one is called decimal part. It is the decimal part. Decimal part. It is the decimal part. It is the integer part. Integer part. So answer will be integer. Similarly, even though it is 0.9999999999999, you can take any number of times. It will take only 0. It will take only 0. So therefore, okay, it is okay. Next, for example, another example, box of 3.25. It will take only integer, that is equal to 0. Next, come to negative side. For example, this is minus 0.1. Minus 0.2, just like that. For example, it is minus 1. Later minus 2 will be like that. So, box of minus 0.1 is what? This is the important point. Minus means negative side, left hand side. That is equal to, where is minus 0.1? Here is minus 0.1. So, what will be the next immediate integer? Left hand side. What is the immediate integer on the left hand side? Minus 1. So it will take minus 1. Understand? Next, box of minus 0.5. Now where is minus 0.5? Here is minus 0.5. What will be the next immediate integer left hand side? Minus 1. It is also minus 1. Okay, next. Box of minus 1.2 is what? Where is minus 1.2? For example, here is minus 1.2. Next, what is the answer? What is, before giving the answer, question yourself, what is the next immediate integer on the left hand side? Not right hand side, left hand side. It is minus 2. That is equal to minus 2. This is the practical meaning of box of x, means greatest integer function. So therefore, you come here. So its value is minus 1 plus its value is 0. Next, its value is minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus it is 0. Tell me, this is minus 1. This is minus 0.2 means 0.1 into 2 means 0.2. This is 0.2. 0.2. So that is equal to, here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Denominator minus 0.2. Of course it is finite value. Next, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Hence its answer is 0. Where is 0? It is in fourth option. That's the problem.